Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Lachelle Trends, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with a wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing. This unit is from Lavyhair. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle vlogs, so don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so again, this unit is from Lavyhair. Let's see what we got today. Ooh. Okay, so it came with a black wig cap. This is the unit. We have a 20-inch curly unit. Let me see what she's talking about. Okay, so this is a 20-inch 5x5 closure. Ooh, the curls is pretty. Get into the curls. The curls is pretty, y'all. Love this little texture. This is so cute. Okay, so this is the front of the wig. It's a 5x5 closure. It's pre-cut. I'm not sure if it's pre-bleached. It's not, but given the way that it looks, I'm not sure. It'll probably take a little bit more for it to lighten up, and I'm not about to bleach the knots. I'm literally just about to put this on my head. But this is the inside. Again, a 5x5 closure. It's not pre-plucked either, because it does need a little plucking. But again, I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to put this on my head. This is the again, the inside. It has two combs on the side along with some grip just to give you extra security. It has an wig band. I would say adjustable. It is adjustable, but it cannot come off, so it's not detachable, but it is adjustable if you need to utilize that. And then it does as well have a comb at the bottom along again with the grip. And I was gonna say it doesn't have adjustable straps, so the grip is just for security, to grip along the circumference of your head and to give you that extra, you know, tightness and security around your head. I'm literally just gonna plop her on. I'm not even gonna use the band because my head is way too big and it be hurting my head. I'm just gonna utilize the comb at the back, because the side combs be hurting my head too, y'all. Like, my head is just sensitive. Okay, so we got her on basically. Y'all, maybe I did need to utilize something because she is big head friendly, so that's good. She just keeps coming up. The curls is beautiful, y'all. The curls is beautiful. Okay, we're gonna have to go through another game plan. I don't know if I need to do something with my base, because my hair is literally just a little ponytail. So we're gonna do two ponytails, I guess, to flatten it out. Maybe the wig will lay better. Yeah, we're gonna do two braids, not two ponytails. Two braids. Okay, I got my two little braid things in the back or whatever. This is how it looks. Nothing spectacular. Okay, so now let's put her on again. Let's see what she's talking about. I low-key wish she would have had the adjustable thing because my head is big, but then again, I'm glad it is big head friendly. Maybe I should utilize that band, but I just know that band doesn't, it never has worked for me. Okay, y'all, this is better. Yeah, this is better. Okay, so it was my foundation, low-key, just a little bit. It still lifts up, but that'll be fine once we glue her down, y'all. And I low-key wish she would have came pre-plucked, pre-bleached and all of that. I'm so used to all of the units coming like that. Like, I'm not prepared to bleach. I don't have the time. But the hair, the curls is beautiful. This is such a beautiful unit. Okay, so I'm gonna glue her down using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and then we're just going to spray, and then, should I do it right here? No, this into my hairline. We're just gonna spray and then blow dry. Spray and blow dry, spray and blow dry. Okay, so now that she's like almost slick, like laid down, she's laid down a little bit but not all the way, I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm just gonna use that powder just so we can better blend in that lace. Since I didn't spray any lace tint, I would recommend spraying lace tint, but this is just so much easier to me, and it's not wasting my product, if that makes any sense, because I be spraying all that stuff and it just be wasting product for real, to me anyway. But yeah, you see, we're blended now. I'm gonna go back in with some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and this is gonna create that blend. After I get it to my liking, I'm gonna go in with my edge band, but I can't show my edge band because it's a different company, so I'm gonna do that off camera. But after I do this, I'm gonna do my edge band, and I'm gonna have the band on for maybe like 5 minutes, and then I'll come back. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the edge band on, and I'll be back, y'all. Okay, we're all melted down for the most part. This part is coming up just a little bit, y'all, but for the most part it's melted in. I don't know why that part is like that, but that's all right. I'm gonna add just a little bit more powder on it, and I'll probably fix it later, but as of right now we're gonna just leave it like so. But she looks good. This can definitely be a unit that you do behind the hairline, since it's such small lace. They cut it so thin. You can definitely do a behind the hairline, which I'll probably attempt that later. So I want to do a middle part, and we just gonna do a, yeah, y'all, I really think if I would have bleached the knots, I don't think it would have really made a difference, just given the texture of the lace and just looking at it. I don't think it would have made a difference. Anyway, so we're gonna do a middle part. I have, where is my wax stick? Should I use spray? No, let me see what it's gonna give with my hot comb, and then I'll go get my wax stick. I'm being lazy because I do not feel like getting up. Ooh. Okay, I got my wax stick, y'all. I look so crazy. I got my wax stick, and I'm just gonna put it along the part. Hopefully this will make it stay down a little better, because I look crazy. Now I'm gonna use my water and my Cantu curling cream to curl this unit. And I'm trying to just do just lightly. Ooh, that was not lightly. I don't want it to be too much because I really like these curls. So I just kind of want to accentuate them. Is that even a word? I kind of just want to bring them out just a little bit. So I'm not going to use that much product. But on the front I am, because that is the part that is a little bit more dry. To get that same texture in those coily ends, I'm going to do a twist out on the front part and then curl it up, if that makes sense. Well, anyway, I'll show you. I'm just gonna twist it like so. And then to curl the ends, I'm just gonna wrap it around. Well, I'm gonna take some product and just put a little bit of product on the ends, and then I'm gonna wrap it around the twist. And that way it's gonna give me the same coily ends that they had already had on this unit. Okay, to speed up the drying process, I'm just gonna blow dry it a little bit. While we let that sit and dry or whatever, I'm gonna go in with my contour palette, that same contour palette, and I'm gonna grab that light shade, and I'm just gonna make this part blend better with my skin. I really should pluck it, honestly, but again, y'all, I don't have the time. I do not have the time. But honestly, like I said from the jump, I don't think it would have brightened up as much. I think it kind of would have been a waste of time, just because I can tell by the lace. But I could be wrong. But I've been doing it for a minute that I could pretty much tell. But again, if that's what you want to do it, girl. Okay, it's been like 30 minutes. I'm gonna see what she's talking about, if she's dry. She doesn't have to be so dry. But the curls is coiling. Do you see it? The coil. Yeah. So I'm just gonna unravel her gently. Yep. She's giving what needs to be given. It matches perfectly. Okay. Next. Okay, this is what she's giving. I'm gonna go back in with some more wax because I feel like this side is just like, it just looks crazy. I want it to be flatter. I don't know if I should have did piece by piece, but I just feel like it should be flatter than what it is. So we're gonna try to clean her up. This is what we're left with. It's not as dry, so even if I try to pick it out just to be big, it's not going to be as big. But I like her like this. She's cute. Let me add just a little bit more powder to the front. And this is what she's giving. Get into them curls. I did not want to mess them up and comb them out. I like how everything turned out. And the little twist out in the front definitely blended very well. Hold on, let me move this back. Y'all, this looks cute. Very cute. Okay, let me turn around. Y'all, is she not? She's cute. Okay, let me fix my top. Yeah, I like her. Very fluffy, very natural looking. Again, if you wanted to put this behind the hairline, it would be perfect because the lace is so small in the front. Y'all, the hair is tea. The curls is so pretty. I love it. Anyways, I'll have it linked in the description box below per usual. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, all that good stuff, y'all. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, girl.